Hello everyone, I will show you an excellent PDF batch conversion software. You can download it from my website, office-tool.com. Click Batch Convert Documents to PDF tab, and click Download button. You can get the software. With this software, you can batch convert all Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files to PDF at once, and it's a portable software that doesn't require installation, and it's designed for data security. It can be used offline. Okay, you will download a compressed package. After extracting it, you just run the batch convert document to PDF.exe. Okay, the software is running, and here I have prepared some documents for testing. In this folder, it has some Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files, and it has a subfolder. Here is some Word and PowerPoint files. Okay, now we'll use it for our experiment. The operation is very simple. Step 1. Select the folder that contains the documents you want to convert. Here, select this folder. Okay. You can keep the other settings as default. Step 2 is select the file type you want to convert. If you don't want to convert a certain type of file, you just uncheck it like this. Step 3 is select the folder where you want the converted PDF files to be saved to. By default, it will save to the same folder here. Okay, let's click Start button. The software is working now. You can see the PDF files are being generated one by one, and in the subfolder, the PDF is generated one by one. Okay, finished. All conversions are complete. Let's check it. Let's open the PDF files to check it. Here, this is the original Word file. Yes. And in the same name, this is the corresponding PDF file. Look, the generation is perfect. Okay, let's check Excel file. This is the original Excel file, and this is the corresponding PDF file. Okay, no problem. Let's check the subfolder. This is the original PowerPoint file. Yes, this is the PowerPoint file, and this is the corresponding PDF file. Yes, you can see the conversion is perfect. Look, this software can convert all files to PDF at once, and this file is very useful and extremely easy. You can go to my website office-tool.com to download and try it out. Thank you. Bye.